I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select NEX Forms as a trigger. Choose a form. Click the Fetch button, go to your form page, fill out the form, and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select actions. Integrately. Give here the webhook link. So visit Integrately dashboard. To make the automation, choose the app. Webhook. Now choose your second desired app to send the data. I am choosing Airtable. Now select the condition. Go. Copy the webhook URL and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Next. Finish and save it. Click on I have set this URL in webhook. Done. Check it received. Continue. Choose base ID and table name. Continue. Map the respective fields. Turn on the automation. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. Thanks for watching.